Muaaniko katikati wa Ayumbe kukon'ya wailu wa mutalatala wa kinandu wa 2024 niweeyumilya umunthi syikaloni sya muthenya wa mbee kwa Ayumbe kuneenanisya mutalatala mbee wa kuukunia kula Wakeeli kyumwani kyukite. Ayumbe ULEI maikulu makulyo kauta kukon'ya utheu na wailu wa mutalatala vala mathingilila vena ivenge mbingi nthuku ivathitu kana ivithanitwe nthini wa ngaliko ya silikali na ile ivanie kuvitukithua kwa kukenga ene nthi kana maundu ala manaina thina ni mathinikiwe kavindani ka kikalo cha president na Ayumbe ma Kenya kana Kenya Kwanza State House kwi muthenani wa iyo Benjamin mwaka nutumbanise mauvo.
Is the honorable questioner here?
Muthenani huu mbee wa kuneenanisya finance bill ya mwaka wa 2024 na mbungeni kwa wase mokali kunoka na kuonanya dalili sia undu KULEAI ka kuna chuma kyukite utongoi wa azimio mbungeni ni wa kuna nthele mbio mutalatala uno.
Kenyans are already overtaxed. In fact, if you look at Kenya vis-a-vis the rest of the world, you would be forgiven to conclude that Kenyans are some of the most taxed human beings on earth.
Higher taxation does not yield to higher revenues, Mr. Speaker. Lower taxation yields to higher revenues. If you make the taxation process easy and simple and which everyone wants to pay, that is when you will collect money. But when you tax it highly, people will look for ways to evade it.
You have an opportunity to amend this bill at committee of the whole. So hold your horses.
Kwiyo kikaloni cha President William Ruto na Ayumbe mangwatani ya Kenya Kwanza State House vamusino ilovi mitalatala mingi hilena ina mathina na mikayanyo mingi kula kwi enenthi inavitangiwe atiyo azimio iweta kuno kukenga mwene nthi ni kwithwa vatialite ivenge mbingi mutalatalani ila silikali itenda kuinenea nthuku vyo.
You increase the cost of imports which are come to this country as inputs, and as a result of that, you increase the cost of production. When you increase the cost of production, automatically, Honorable Speaker, that cost will be transferred to the consumer. That will make our goods uncompetitive in terms of price.
We must reject these attempts to increase the price of petroleum product, because that will increase even the price of electricity and therefore will increase the cost of production.
Ateo ngaliko ya ala aingi silikali ni weta silikali no nginayo sanye koti no kana kukwata ilovia sia kumuthuku mwene nthi na vayingwa kitumi hona kimwe cha ngaliko ULEI kuende ya kuingianisya NMB na silikali ibindani wela silikali mbene ni nathe isi mwanga mwayo mumo na kumya ivenge mutea mutalatalani uno.
Did the committee listen to Kenyans? Yes, it did. They went all over the country. That is why they have dropped matters to do with bread taxation. They have dropped matters to do with taxation on motor vehicle, among a myriad of other things.
On one hand, they are saying they want to discuss the finance bill, the proposals as they are. On the other hand, they are saying they want to discuss the report. I think they should also declare whether they want to discuss the finance bill with the report as it is.
Many of the amendments that have been proposed by the Finance Committee in a big way cure the numerous concerns that Kenyans had over this finance bill. And therefore, that's why I want to plead with this Honorable House, let us do what is right.
Na unenanya uetelwe kulika muthenani wa Wakeeli mbungeni kwi muthenani wa uni mutiani munene kwa Ayumbe ni kumana wo mutalatala ukite na wito wiva wa koti kula kwi enenthi.
We must be very careful. There is no way I'll sit here and understanding that a government must fund its budget. We must look at what is happening to the taxes that we are collecting and why are Kenyans not paying taxes.
You cannot milk a cow that is eating nothing. Amen. We need the Kenyan citizen to be fed with something to promote the economy so as to milk. How do you milk a dead cow? The Kenyan citizen is dead. We need interventions that enable the Kenyan person to thrive.
Vilingi wa mavu kumavamia kone ya mbunge ni musino ilovi. Nye, nita wa Benjamin na mwakam.